Hello everyone, it's Jean from Inky Studio. Welcome, welcome. I have today, I'm so excited, I have another digital kit I'd like to share with you. And this one is called Vintage Blues, and of course it has a lot of blue in it. And these lovely, lovely ladies. I have a selection of these really lovely photos. So we'll go through the journal pages. Now at the end of this video I do have instructions on how to put together the folio that goes with this. And if you are here for those instructions, you may want to skip ahead, and I'll put down the minute marker as to where those instructions begin so that you can start there. Anyway, so we will look at the journal pages, and so this is the first one here with this lovely woman, and I've collected some, of course, blues, but also some golden yellows in here. And here's another lady here with reading her letters, and I added, most of this is in French receipts and letters and writing and that type of stuff. And here's another one of those really pretty ladies here. So with lots of blues. And this is the last journal page with, of course, some of that yellow I was talking about. Now I hope these are not showing up too faded in the lighting I have here. You might want to look at the listing to get a better idea. But of course colors, are so funny because of how different monitors are and different cameras are and everything. And here are some background pages, and I have 3 background pages that you can use to write over or to as tear sheets in your journal. I have one more background sheet that goes with the folio, but you could, print it by itself. Now we're going to look at the ephemera, and I have these really fun collage strips, and I think Tim Holtz made these really popular. They're lots of fun in that you can cut each one out and have lots of little small pieces of ephemera. You can narrow it down, a strip down, and use it for a belly band. You can use it for the background of a tag. They're just kind of fun way of using ephemera. So I have like 4 strips here. Then here's the folio, and of course there's the outside of the folio, and then I print on the other side, the inside of the folio, which you can also use this as a background sheet too if you'd want to write on it in your journal. And that's the folio outside. Here are the pockets that go inside the folio. Nice beautiful lady here on the main pocket. There's 3 other ones, and I threw in some couple of washi tape strip like things that you could use to decorate your tags or whatever. And I'm going to use this little label as a closure. And then here is the ephemera that goes into the pockets of the folio. So I have 1 tag and I have 5 cards. So that is the kit. I think it's so beautiful. I just was so inspired by these beautiful paintings of these women. And so I've tried to use a variety of blues in here. And so now let's get started with assembling the folio. So like I had mentioned, I printed the one sheet on the one side and the folio on this side. And then I'm going to cut out the pockets and the ephemera, and we'll get started on the assembly. Alright, so the pieces are cut out, and of course the first thing you want to do is fold your folio right along the lines there. Easy to see. And I'll just burnish along there. And we'll fold down this piece here. So once those are folded, then the folio is going to basically open up like this. Now, of course, you can assemble this folio however you would like, but this is the way I intended the pieces to be put in. So we will put this larger pocket here, and we'll do the 2 sides, the bottom and this side over here. And this will go right here in the side, like so. I want to make sure you don't glue over the fold there. And so these pockets you can arrange however you want because they're all equal. So it really doesn't matter which way you assemble them, but I will assemble them this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them to each other first. I'm just going to put a dab of glue here on the sides and space them out equally, like so. Just like that, so that they're pretty much even. And then we will glue the whole thing in on the 3 sides. Like so. And I will put it right there in the middle of that fold, that area there, making sure that I'm not going over the crease there. So there we go. There. Right inside like that. So there are the pockets, and then if you want to close it, you can put an eyelet in here and string a ribbon through it. But you can also take this little label and just glue it down part way, like a third of it on the bottom, approximately. Glue it down so that it catches. And I'm kind of lining up the points here a little bit, just so it catches it. Like so. And allowing that to dry before I use it. And then of course we've got the tag, and I've just added a little ribbon to the top of that tag. And then we have all these other little cute dealies to put in. Just like so. However you would like to put those in. Okay, just like that. So there is the little folio, and then we'll just close it up. Just like that. And it's ready to put in your journal or to use by itself, or however you want to use that. So that is the construction of that. So this will be available in my Etsy shop if you want to stop over there and check that out, and it'll also be available in my coffee shop. So thank you so much for viewing today, and I hope that you have a very crafty day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.